Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with the Walmart's Ibotta haul. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope you all enjoyed your holiday. I hope you had fun with your family, guys. And hopefully you found some great deals doing some Black Friday shopping. I didn't do any though. Well, I did want to do some Ibotta shopping because I had 2 rebates that I wanted to finish. I had the November level 4 bonus that I needed to do 9 more rebates in order to get my $2. And I wanted to finish out the weekend wishbone bonus that was for $1 and I needed to do 6 rebates, okay? So I decided to do some couponing at Walmart and I want to share it with my lovely people. So the first rebate I decided to do was on the Dove soap. This is the 3-pack bar soap and it's priced $3.47 in my store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate and there's also points back through Shopkick. So for Shopkick, I got back 78 cents, which was for scanning in store for 20 points and 175 for uploading the receipt for a total of 195 points, the equivalent of 78 cents. Final cost after Ibotta and Shopkick, $1.69. Now there is also a Ibotta rebate for the 3-pack of the Dove Men Plus Care men's soap and Shopkick points coming back, but my Walmart was out of it, so I did not do it. And there is also a Ibotta and Shopkick deal on the 6-pack for the Dove and the Dove Men Plus Care soap. The next rebate I decided to do was on the La smoothies. You know, we like to get these things because we drink them in the morning. So I got these again. They were actually priced $3.32. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate and there's also Shopkick points. So if you scan in store, you're going to get 15 points. And if you upload the receipt after you purchase, 150 points for the equivalent of 66 cents. So a total of $1.66 coming back. Final cost $1.66 after Ibotta and after Shopkick. Pretty good deal. Haagen-Dazs. I love this ice cream. The vanilla bean. $3.88. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $3.88 in store. I got back $1 from Ibotta. Final cost $2.88. I'm good because this is my snack and I eat the whole thing. Next rebate I did was on the Chef's Craft Chicken. I did the breast chunks. It's priced $6.46 in my Walmart. There is a $3.50 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost be $2.96. That is a great price for chicken. And there have been some lovely people that have commented on this chicken. They said they really like it, that it's good. So I haven't tried it yet. I'm just sticking it in my freezer. Next rebate I did was on the Mountain Dew, guys. I like soda, as you can tell. So I decided to do it again. The price was $1.88 in my store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 88 cents. 20 ounce of Pepsi, it's $1.88 as well. Paid $1.88 in the store. $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost be 88 cents for the Pepsi. Next one I decided to do was on the Mountain Dew, and this is the Frostbite. It also is priced $1.88. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 88 cents for the Mountain Dew Frostbite. I decided to get, guys, was on the Dove Lotion. I've never tried this product before, but I seen it on Shopkick and that's what made me want to try it. So in my Walmart, it was priced $5.14. I did print off a $2 coupon from coupons.com. I paid in store $3.14. Now for Shopkick, if you scan in store, you're going to get 20 points and 250 points from Shopkick for uploading your receipt, for a total of $1.08 back from Shopkick, making the final cost be $2.06. I am curious to try it. It's Dove, so I'm sure it's good. So the next rebate I did was on the All laundry detergent. So the All was priced $4.97 in my store. I printed off a $1.50 coupons.com coupon today. That made me have to pay $3.47 in the store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.47 for laundry detergent. I think that is a great deal. Another Ibotta rebate for the All, and this one was priced $4.74 in my store. I used another $1.50 coupons.com coupon that I printed off today. I paid $3.24 in the store. I got back the $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.24. Now let's go over the numbers. All right, the total of everything was $37.62. I redeemed $5 in coupons, $1.50 for the All, $1.50 for the other All, and then a $2 coupon for the Dove. Dropped my cost down to $32.62. I redeemed a $5 Shopkick gift card in store, which brought my cost down to $27.62. Now, let's talk about what I got back from Ibotta, which was amazing. I got the $2 for the November level 4 bonus. I got the $1 for the weekend wishbone bonus. I got $2 for a All bonus. I think it was actually for just purchasing these two. So it gave me back a $2 bonus, okay, for All. Plus I had $13.60 in rebates for a total of $18.60 back from Ibotta. All right. Then I also got back $2.52 from Shopkick for a total of 630 kicks. I included the scanning in store kicks along with the uploading receipt kicks. Okay. Now that makes my total rebate money back $21.12. That is amazing. So that is a total of $6.50 is the final cost for all this lovely product that you see, guys. Amazing. 10 items, that is 65 cents each. That is a great, great deal. Let's go to the receipt. Here is the receipt. Now, the reason why you see the Dove Men Plus Care on there for $5.94, right there, that $5.94, that had to be taken off because I didn't realize the coupon expired yesterday. So I was going to get it, and then I decided not to get it because the coupon was expired. So there you see that void, that little void section right there. That's the Dove Men Plus Care coming off. I don't know what, I think she was a little confused trying to take it off. But at any rate, there you see where I redeemed my $5 shopping card. Okay. So all my coupons came out without a hitch. My $1.50, my $1.50, and my $2 coupon. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Well, guys, that is it for the Ibotta haul. I did not have a lot of rebates, but I did satisfy the levels that I wanted to, got my bonuses, and that is what makes for a great Ibotta haul. Trying to double up on the bonuses so you can do the rebates and it apply to more than one bonus. Okay, that's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.